Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us on Mississippi Live. Hopefully, you've had a great day. I'm Emily Leonard. Still no pay raise for Mississippi troopers, but they say the fight isn't over yet. Public Safety Commissioner Sean Tindell wanted it done this legislative session. It just did not happen. On Supertalk Radio, the commissioner said that he is trying again when lawmakers return in January. Right now, base pay for a trooper in Mississippi is $54,000. It is one of the lowest in the country. Tindell wants to up that to $60,000. He says it's about recruiting. Mississippi has room for 650 troopers, but only have 500 slots filled. A new cadet class is recruiting right now. Mississippi kids are going to start learning to manage their money. I know parents are excited about this one. Lawmakers passed a law during this year's session that requires financial literacy for 6th through 8th graders. Kids will learn about budgeting, financing, consumer rights, and financial services. It'll start in the 2027-2028 school year. Are you feeling lucky? Maybe after last week's $1 million winning lottery ticket in Tupelo, maybe you're thinking about playing the lottery a little more. Well, get ready. The Mississippi Lottery is adding 4 new scratch-off games starting next week. On Tuesday, the state will start selling $2 triple play with a $20,000 jackpot, $3 Wild Sevens bingo game with a top prize of $30,000, a $5 Cruisin' the Coast scratcher that offers multiple $500 winners, and a $20 cash explosion game that carries a jackpot of $500,000. All 4 new games will be in retail stores by August 4th. Good luck to you. And thank you for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great night.